Hello humans! Today I'm going to teach you about how to get user input by using the input function. Input is built into Python and it allows our user to type in a response that we can then store in a variable. I'll instruct the user to enter their name and then I'll say that username is equal to input. Since input is a function, we have to put parentheses behind it. Now I'll print hello plus the user's name. Running this, I can see that I'm asked to enter my name, so I'll type Kyle and press enter. Now I see hello Kyle print out. Walking through this, we first print instructions for our user. We then pause our program and wait for our user to type in a response. Once our user types in their name and hits enter, their response is then stored in username and our code continues running. We print hello plus whatever the user typed in and our program ends. Instead of using a print statement to prompt the user to enter their name, we can actually use a shortcut that's built into input. I'll delete my print statement and put my prompt inside of input's parentheses. The only difference is now our user types in their response on the same line as the prompt instead of the line below it. Let's run this and you can see that when I type in my name and press enter, hello Kyle appears just the same as before. Like most things, input has some flaws. It always gives us a string, regardless of what the user types in. Let me show you why that's an issue. I'll create favorite number, which is equal to input, and our prompt will be to ask the user to type in their favorite number. We'll then create double number, which will be equal to favorite number times 2. We'll then print double number. Running this, I'll type 8 as my favorite number, and when I press enter, I see 88 print out, not 16. This is because input stored the string 8 inside a favorite number, not the integer 8. Since favorite number contains a string, when we multiply it by 2, it repeats the string twice, giving us 8, 8. To fix this, we need to parse favorite number. The most efficient way of doing so is to parse the output of the input function directly. To do so, I'll wrap my input function within the int function. Now our code reads, ask the user what their favorite number is. When they enter their number, convert the response to an integer and store that in favorite number. Now I'll run our code and say that my favorite number is 8. When I hit enter, I see 16 print out. Because favorite number contains an integer, we are able to properly calculate what double number should be because we have the integer 8, which we can multiply by 2 to get 16. Today we learned how to use the input function to get a user's input. A big thank you for liking, subscribing, and ringing that bell. Comment below with suggestions for future videos, and I will see you in the next one.